Hello everyone. This week's trade is Netflix. Netflix takes the spotlight this week as earnings hit after the bell, and the chart couldn't look more interesting. We can see since April the rebound that lifted prices from $815 to $1,345. The stock has been trapped inside a tight triangle, hinting at a big move ahead. Now, yesterday's rally, backed by Wall Street strength and upbeat earnings from peers, pushed Netflix briefly above the triangle ceiling, a move that could mark the early stages of a bullish breakout. But traders remember September's false breakout when excitement quickly faded. The test now is clear. Can the stock hold above $1,245 and confirm the trend shift? Under the surface, questions about AI's impact on streaming have kept Netflix lagging the Nasdaq since mid-year. Yet optimism is quietly building. Morgan Stanley, for example, remains overweight with a $1,500 target, expecting a strong second half led by advertising growth and higher engagement. Now, back to the levels to watch. For resistance, we have the first one at 1,300. Second test for bulls would be at 1,400. Support at 1,218 and 1,145. The lower level of the triangle, RSI gradually straightening, bulls testing control for now. So Netflix is pressing against a wall. It hasn't broken in months. Today's earning could decide whether it's another false alarm or the real breakout moment.